Alright, so let's see what we have today. Let's take the hold. Let me see. So I took this trade on London, if you see. It's just paper trading this one, but which one? Oh, there we go. So I earned 2k today on paper trading, and I lost a little bit on this. So let's see what the New York has to offer. We go on the high time frame. We can see we have an yesterday we got a high here, hourly high and 4-hour high. We got a 1-hour high low, and we got the London low. So London swept out Asia lows, as you can see, and we made a rally to the upside, and NQ did a even bigger push up. So here we go, the hourly low as well, and we got yesterday's highs, and you see we pushed over these highs on NQ, but we did not push over these highs on ES. So that could be a possible SMT divergence. We also had these highs. It's the yesterday's high, but we can target these also. But I think we have a London sweep and a reversal, and we have a New York continuation. That is my guess for today. So I'm bullish, but if the market gives an opportunity as an SMT divergence, then I will probably take a short. So now I'll just take some notes for today. Okay, so today it's 2nd December, and let's see if we have any news for today. So President Trump speaks at 8 p.m. Norwegian time. So that's the only thing we need to be careful of. Yes. So it's 8 minutes till market open. Let's just have every thing open for. I took a loss on the NQ on Nation session today, and it was a very small loss of $157, so nothing big. We almost swept this high. I probably think we will make a big SMT versions of these. Probably something like this. Something like this is my guess. Just opening every site I need to be ready for market open. if we have any other draws of liquidity that is obtainable today. We have these heisties probably, or some nice heist to take out. But I think ES won't go. Yeah, they probably can go so high also. But probably not. I think ES will take out these and NQ probably this one. Yes. Five minutes till market open. Ja. 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 Så nå skal vi se på dette. 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 Det er noe galt med setup i hvert fall. Å faen, hvor skjer det av? Helvete, å faen. Sånn. Derfor. Okay, so let's see what we have. We're still in pre-market. Boeing is up a little bit. Google the same. Yeah, no movements. It looks like. So that will probably mean we get some moves now later in this evening. But let's see. Okay, 1 minute till market open. Okay, market open. Let's see what we got now. Yeah, we probably will get. I would like to see we take out some of these 5-minute lows if we want to take long, if we want the daily profile to be bullish, and I would think the only thing that concerns me is we have high time frame liquidity here, so we probably will get a reaction down. But we didn't take out these, so we have a possibility to take out some lows here, make an SMT divergence, and probably long the lagging index, I would think. We just need to be patient. We took out these lows on both indexes. Okay, we got a reaction of these 5-minute lows stacked up. Let's see. Yeah, so we could probably take out these and take a short down. Yeah, at least with these stacked up 5-minute lows. And this one is also a hourly low, so that will probably get taken out today. Either we take out, go up like here or something, or we stay under this low. This is, let's see, this is pre-market high, but I think we will go down. NQ is going up still. ES is turning down, so probably an SMT. Okay, ES, oh, okay, here we see a big push from NQ, and now we probably will take out this one, yeah, and in the next 5 minutes we will probably take out this one also, if you want to. But it's not that much liquidity up there, it's most of them is there. So let's see if we could take a short from here, but I won't do that. This would be the short I would take in the case, and we would get 2.4 risk reward. But I will not take that short because it's not the best setup. It's not even 5 minutes into market open, so it will probably not work out. But yeah, it will be there up. So 2 in risk reward, and we'll get first take profit will be 1 in risk reward, and then stop loss break even. But NQ keeps pushing up. But I would like to see some downwards movement, just to take out some liquidity before we make a rally to the upside. Do we have an... No, we don't have a fair value gap. Okay, so now, yeah, I said in the next 5-minute candle we probably would take at this, and it looks like that is what's happening right now. Yes, so then the next target of liquidity would be up here, but we need to see some manipulation before. But also, we are in a big SMT divergence right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if we probably maybe go all the way down here today. Because we have a 4-hour, we have a downtrend or high stacked up each other, and in on NQ it's taken out everything. So if we see a 5-minute in breaker structure now, I would love to short. I would love to short it right now. If we see yeah, but now if NQ keeps pushing up, then there's no short. Yeah, we need to see first a 1-minute breaker structure, but yeah. So this one wouldn't work out, that's why I don't take it, because it's 5 minutes into the market open. And we need to see some manipulation before we take the trade. But I would like it to stay under these, yeah, I want. Yeah. Okay, so today it looks like a no trade day just because we have this huge push up. But you can also, now we got the manipulation we waited for, and we have SMT from these size down to there, and these size down to there. So we have like 2 SMT divergences, and on NQ you see both of those has been taken out. See, there we go. But it looks like we will push all the way. This is not what it was what I expected, but I expected push down to these lows before, just cause. Kjære! Hvorfor det?
Vi skal finne et bilde av Johanne.
Ja, kanskje.
Ja, eller 5:30 eller etter middag.
Ja, vi ser.
Ja, jeg hadde veldig...
Det er jo ikke så viktig.
Jo, det hører fristig egentlig på mandag, men nå er vi på tirsdag. Så det går fort hvis jeg bare får en PC. Takk.
I'm sorry for that. Okay, so Nvidia is up 3%, Hood 2, Tesla, oh, Boeing up 5%, but it looks like we need to go down and fill something here. Oh, Iran is down 6.5%. That I want to buy some Iran, but I'd like it down here again, and I think we will get that. Yeah, now we're just pushing higher and higher. Let's see, and give me a push. 127 points, 130. Yes. Today we had a, let's see, a sweep when we got a push up. And I expected a push down to these lows and then this rally that we're seeing right now. still in for the SMT divergence, but we're so close to these highs now. And properly want. So if you want, we need to short here. That I would not risk much on this short. Probably something like this. With NQ, I want the 5-minute break of structure. Yeah, you see. Yeah, 30 points from these highs. Hourly highs. Yeah, we probably could make a great short here, but I would take profits at least down like here. But imagine we took this short and targeted this. Oh, here we got a little bit bad print, so the jump from this to this is not optimal. But I will probably short. Oh fuck, yeah, because my luck is just like this. I wanted to short and then we get the push out, and I would be... I would risk 600, but I miss my entry now. It's no point in going here. Yeah, fuck. Damn. The only thing we can do now is... yeah, I don't know. Because now we had got the push down, and if we turned around, I am afraid we won't. Let's see the Fib, notch the 50%. Yeah, we pushed into the 50%, so... Yeah, I would like to get the entry, but it's like now I don't want the entry because we haven't got the flush down that I wanted. So I guess when you with the 3% up, nice. Okay, so now we got a push. We didn't manage to get inside the 50. The eco, it will probably work. Oh. Okay, now if we get a close in like... trying to decide if I want to short this. I don't think so. It would probably work, but I don't want to risk when I'm not 100% sure. And also, as you can see, I want the 5-minute structure. I want the break of structure 5 minutes. But I think we will. If you look at this, we got the sweep up, so probably the short would be nice. But yeah, fuck. Yeah. Okay, so this is just so fun. Would be a nice trade also. Let's just set this limit here. This is paper trading, just so you know. Just like to learn and see. Now we are closing into the macro at 14:50, and my time zone is 15:50. Let's see if we are tapping into the. Maybe if we got a low time frame SMT also, if ES could get over this, maybe this, but then we are so close to this high, but it's high resistance also. We would have a one risk reward already. It would. I think that would be the trade of the day. It's sad that I lost it because on this low I would be break even. Damn. Yeah, I should get the balls to do that because oh fuck. Yeah. But on ES we are still staying still, so, and we're chopping around, so we might get the 5-minute SMT now if we sweep this low. And because in ES we are in the 5-minute Ferrari gap. It's from here and up here. We have two, but it's stacked up against each other, so just one big. Okay, now we're getting some, because now we took out, oh, we didn't take out this. Because now we get, I would not trade NQ just because the targets would be like this if we entered right now, but I would wait for this break of structure at least, and then it's like one enriched reward, and that's not what I am aiming for at least, but then we have these 1 hour. We also have this 1 hour stacked up against each other. We did not break, yep, we did break structure because we have a 79% extension. You see it broke, but the only reason I'm not taking this is because of the SMT divergence that we probably will make right now if we push over this, and also the risk reward is not optimal. And I think after this push we probably will want to take out at least one of these lows. Let's see. We fully could just push up and take out this. Yeah, because now we broke this. But we're still... let's see. Yeah, we're over this one, and these ones is this one, so... Now we got the 1 minute SMT at least. Let's see where the 5 minute... Oh. Because now we got the 1 minute SMT, and now we pushed off these, so now I would take the stop loss to break even. Because now we got the 1.5 risk reward, yeah, nice. I always like to take profit like a little bit, a tick up to above the low, because sometimes we don't take it off and we make an SMT and then we're secured profit. Yeah, the 1 minute SMT is this one. Let's see if I can show you guys. There, and on the 1 minute we have this. So, in my opinion, the SMT divergence is now completed in the 1 minute because we took out this low. So, I would exit the trade if I would have this one at here at least. Let's check crypto, because I got a notification that the bank in USA recommends, yeah, here we go, recommends the Americans to have at least 4% of their portfolio in crypto and Bitcoin. Let's see. We got a big push. That's nice. I have a lot of Doge, and I have so I'm hoping that we would get a big push. But I need to have a fucked up entry because of this huge manipulation. So I'm entered at something like, yeah, I think this green line no, this here, something like this. Let's see. Here we have also, here we have a 5-minute SMT, and this will be complete when we take out something like this. But I would love, you see how much longer down we are on NQ. We had a day like this Monday last week, and then we got a huge rally up. I will show you that at the end probably, because now we're at 15. We have 4 minutes till new hour opening. Let's see. So I think the trade of the day for me would be this one, but as you see, we also did not close under, so always wait for the candle close before you enter. So this would not actually be an entry for me. The entry would be down here, and then you see like, is it worth it? We have the 5-minute SMT right now, and I would take the trade on NQ just because it's the leading index. And then we have, like, here we have a nice risk reward. Still no trades for me today. I had no trades yesterday either. It's almost Christmas, so the price action will probably be a little bit slower. And here we get the push, and I will enter long on NQ if we break this. Yes, I will enter.
Order filled.
Okay, I entered. Fuck, I entered on the wrong.
Order filled.
On the wrong.
Order filled.
I entered on ES with a misclick, but now I am in NQ, and my entry is 25,598. I think that's wrong, but let's take that. I don't want to hold this trade for a long time. But now the risk reward is negative, so now we get the push up that I want, and here we go. Now we got what I waited for. I would like it to push even higher now. We don't want it to just chop right there. We now just need it to, yeah, here we go. Let's see, and
Order filled.
TP hit. Nice. Here we go. Nice, that's nice. And if you want the proof or the trade, I can. It's funded. Wait a minute, and I will show you guys. Let's see. There we go. And I can probably. I can't show you. That's weird. I will fix it later. Oh fuck, now you can't see anything. My bad, let me... Can you see it now? There we go. My bad. And I exited here and I probably could hold... Let's see. If we have an alert. There we go, and alert here. We probably could hold even higher and get a better risk reward. But at the same time, now I'm in profit for today, so that's nice. I wanted to enter down here, but I entered on ES with a misclick because I am unfunded. But I will, okay, let me try to show you guys the, where did I put it? Here we go, let me see if I can fix this for you. Let me see. No, not that one. That's just a stream. Here we go, okay. No, fuck, okay. There we go, and... Okay, I will try to fix that for tomorrow. So the trade I took today was just a short one with the... Let me see. I had it there and I wanted to enter right here, but I entered on ES with a mistake, so I had to exit that one and then get into NQ, and then I got an entry at here, so it's not the best one, but it's money is money, and it's ass. I know, I wouldn't take it if I saw, but I put the stop loss after right here when I saw it was a bad risk reward, and then I got the 2 risk reward, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's the trade for today. Profit today also. We got the 5-minute SMT that I wanted right here from these lows down here, and from the same lows here and up here. It's a pretty nice SMT, and I wanted this because of I saw this exact thing happened on Monday last week, so it's the market do the same almost every time. So I will upload the market recap, no, the trade recap on YouTube as well, and I will try to fix so I can show you the live execution on the funded account also for tomorrow. I couldn't manage to do it right now, so today I was bullish from the start, because of, you see, at the start of the day we had the sweep of Asia lows, and I took, as you can see, I entered the trade also. I can show you this here. I entered the trade with the 2k P&L. This is paper money because I was at school, and you see that trade executed nicely. I entered on, because it was so a strong reaction from the sweep, so I entered on this candle close, because then we have closed. I could enter earlier also, but just wanted to confirm. Then I just targeted, let's see, these highs for a 1.8 risk reward, but I thought about it, and I was thinking about targeting these highs for a 4 risk reward, and that would also be an easy profit. So, oh my bad. So I will try to make some London session trades also, because sometimes it's nice. And in the Asia session I took a L. I can show you that also. If you see on NQ it was. Let me see here. Was it on NQ? These lows, yes. So I entered short on this one because we had the fair value gap, and the stop was, let me see, there, and I wanted this for this is a pretty risky trade also, but you see, in the end of the day I woke up at 1 in the night to do this trade. So you see, we got a liquidity sweep here, and then we got a push down, and then we got also a push into this 5-minute fair value gap. Let me see if I can, there. And as you can see, it respected the first time, but I didn't wait. So if I waited a little bit, I would see that we would break it, and then I wouldn't take in the short, and I would save some money. But it was a very low risk. I risked like $160 unfunded, so nothing huge. Let's see what's, yeah. So I could probably target this, but it was a really small trade, so no problem. I'm up for the day. I earned $800 on this trade, 600 to 800. I don't remember. I can check after. Yeah, let me check that. Let's see. Yeah, 700 I earned from that. So a nice trade. And today I'm finished for the day, because I will probably wake up at night to trade the Asia session again, and I will try to wake up this time. On Monday I just slept. I took the alarm, and then I just slept, got to sleep. So let me get all this shit away. 25. Okay, so this is the break even for the trade, and this is like the final TP. And the final TP will be this one, and I think that's the hourly highs. Yeah, hourly highs. Oh, perfect in the gap. And we will probably take out this also today. Let me see if what crypto. Yeah, nice. I own a lot of Doge, so I want this to get high. I also want to get my entry on Hype. Just missed it by, let me see how many. Yeah, 0.2 cent. And I didn't manage to pick it up. 2 times I missed it. Equal lows. Fuck. Why can't, there we go. Yeah, equal lows also. Fuck. But it's okay. I own a lot of Doge, so I don't need to be exposed, but Hype is a very good crypto right now, and I think it will go to, let me see, daily. If I think we can, yeah, easy $100, and then at least in, let me see how many percent that is. $100, yeah, probably in the next year would be the target. It's crazy. Crypto is crazy. But as you see, I got a bad entry on Doge because of, you see, this crazy candle manipulation as fuck when Trump announced something with China. So yeah, it happens. I can't win everything, but this is the hugest position I've ever owned of any stock or crypto, and it's down 30% or something. I won't check it until it's up again. I don't want to see those numbers. So yeah, I'm happy for today, and if anyone got any music suggestions for tomorrow, I can turn that on. I will turn the music off now. So yeah, we probably will get to break even. So I exit the whole position at these. Let me see. These hourly highs. So yes, thank you for watching, and I will be live tomorrow, and probably will turn the line live on when I'm trading Asia session also. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.